Hey everyone and welcome to Nutriology. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 benefits of eating watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that is perfect for hot summer days. But did you know that it's also packed with health benefits? Let's dive in and take a closer look at why you should be incorporating watermelon in your diet. Number 1. Hydration. Watermelon is 92% water, which makes it an excellent way to stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause a host of issues including headaches, fatigue, and dizziness. By eating watermelon, you can keep your body hydrated and healthy, especially during the summer months when temperatures rise. Number 2 benefit is that it is rich in nutrients. Watermelon is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, B6 and C as well as potassium and magnesium. These nutrients help to keep your body healthy and function correctly. Additionally, watermelon is a good source of antioxidants which help to protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Benefit number 3 is that watermelon promotes heart health. Watermelon is an excellent source of lycopene, an antioxidant that helps to reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene can also help to lower cholesterol levels, which is crucial for heart health. Additionally, the citrulline found in watermelon can help to improve blood flow, which can further reduce the risk of heart disease. Another benefit is that it aids in digestion. Watermelon contains fiber, which is essential for good digestion. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and can prevent constipation. Eating watermelon can also help to reduce inflammation in the gut, which can help to alleviate digestive issues. Finally, watermelon can help to regulate blood pressure. It contains potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Additionally, the amino acid citrulline found in watermelon can help to relax blood vessels, which can further help to lower blood pressure. In conclusion, watermelon is a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers a range of health benefits. From promoting heart health to aiding in digestion, it is an excellent addition to any diet. So next time you are looking for a refreshing snack, reach for a slice of watermelon. Thanks for watching and we hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Toodles!